In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions to Google Chrome, guiding you through a simple and straightforward process that you can easily follow at home or on your office computer. Extensions can greatly enhance your browsing experience by adding additional functionalities to your browser. We'll be specifically looking at installing the Dark Reader extension, which helps reduce eye strain from bright screens. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. If you're not familiar with it, Chrome is a fast, efficient browser from Google that many people prefer due to its speed and ease of use. Ensuring you have the browser open, let's move on to the next step. In the address bar, which is at the very top of your browser window, type chrome.google.com/webstore. After entering this address, go ahead and press enter. This will direct you to the Chrome Web Store, a showcase of various extensions that you can add to Chrome to improve your browsing experience. Now that you're on the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see a search box prominently placed at the top middle of the screen. Click into this search box and type Dark Reader. This is an extension that's incredibly useful for those who want a dark mode while surfing the web, making it easier on the eyes during nighttime or low-light environments. Once you've typed in Dark Reader, hit enter or click the search icon. You'll be presented with a range of search results. Look through these results and click on Dark Reader when it appears. This will bring up more detailed information about the extension. You're now on the Dark Readers page within the web store, where you'll find an option that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that. It's a straightforward process, but here it's always good practice to ensure you're selecting the correct extension, both for security and functionality reasons. After clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear on your screen asking for confirmation. This pop-up is Chrome's way of ensuring you really want to add this extension, considering certain permissions might be required for it to function correctly. Click Add Extension to confirm your choice. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the Dark Reader icon appears on the Chrome toolbar, which is located at the top right corner of your browser. This icon is your quick access point to the extension, allowing you to easily enable or disable its features as you need. Now, if by chance you can't see this icon right away, don't worry. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions menu. Look for Dark Reader in the list and click the small pin icon next to it. This action will pin Dark Reader to your toolbar, ensuring it's always in sight and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added an extension to Google Chrome. Whether you're customizing your experience or adding functionality, extensions are a fantastic way to make Chrome truly yours. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly enhanced browsing experience.